Alright, abusia yeni nkomo emfa Blasters players ho na Mikel Arteta edi nkomo wa grant interview edi afa abronte ani din edi Thomas Partey on se media no kire se ase Arsenal for ya ye nipa bone for eno moyi Thomas Partey ama ene ya de 5 count ato no so say no ye hwese next month abronte ni eram court no wakoyi ne ho ano na eno na enura Mikel Arteta eni media ni ehia ye eni enkomo de obobi efa Arsenal eni Thomas Partey ho ye ba ne ba betie de eko eni ne eba na on Saturday ena abronte star boy Mohammed Kudus ebo on the first game edma Tottenham Hotspurs na abusuya abronte no display ye papa na after the game Thomas Frank ababedi enkomo e de fa Kudus ho ne sema o ka ye nyina no me de ba be somo no nya bi atie na so wa che wadwene e wo platform we so ye be ram all Black Queens akache ni edi enkomo 1 or 2 na me de video bi e ba be somo na video no eye venue semi-finals game Ghana versus Morocco eto dwano me de sa video no e ba be somo no the nature of the stadium match ni betimi out of dwanti obaso na obo mo de subscribe wa like na wa pia share na enkomo no etimi aye kama fast forward yenko ne enfa enkomo ahodo no entimi enfamro na me sha ase dia na me de wuhura mu our Black Queens akache na venue semi-final game between Ghana and Morocco ni eto dwano yenko ne enko yese de pitch no esitie any how environment no esitie. Alright, so that's the venue. Ghana versus Morocco semi-final game no. Ebetimi ato dwanti bebia wo bia no na watimi ase a prayer e dem Black Queens because they say no bibia timi akwaje kukuro na enema ankwaje kekeleke enema kasa ankwakoye Santa Rochester dia e chese Black Queens yebetimi abafie with the ultimate trophy na enkomo no etimi akoye na say the way and manner came last Bjorkengren enema ba wan eye na ase omo yaji obibia surprise na ase omo ya surprise obibia no eno nam so ama star boy Mohammed Kudus was sending message pa e de koma emaba wana order omo ase na obo omo ba so se omo akonkoden e de ama Ghana na semi final game a Ghana ebo e de atia Morocco no wo muntim entokoso na the fighting spirit no wo muntim enya na omo konkoden enfoma Ghana ene star boy Mohammed Kudus enkomo sei e na honest sportsling Ghana e boy.
Hi Black Queens, Mohammed Kudus here. I'm just here to wish you guys all the best in your upcoming games. I'm really proud of your energy, your hard work, and fight to defend the country Ghana. I'm really looking forward to your next game, and I hope you guys bring the gold home. Wish you all the best, and we are behind.
Alright, so star boy Mohammed Kudus, and the messages out there on the Black Queens were abra. Omokobo semi-finals game against Morocco no, and somebody to Ghana, and I'm a diamond. Young person nyina mu e star boy Mohammed Kudus akache na abronte no e na coach ani din e de anowoka asend message bi e de ama ono mu eti say Kudus e de message e ma Black Queens no na coach anowoka enso e send message na ebusia anowoka akwakodi enkomo na ne nkomo nyina ene say wose Kudus e bra na osi kan e de ma West Ham no e ne challenges there o face bi ye papa ni titiru e 2024-2025 season no ene entimi anko sede ye ne ye nyina ye hwese betimi akọ but all in all no Mohammed Kudus ebo mo ne 5 goals e make 4 assists e de man ho na ono de wo ka sense ya Kudus ewrap out Tottenham no expectation e wo soro eti Kudus won hwe na on fight hard na ontimi anyi din e man ho na on sanyi din emfama ewiase nyina na coach anowoka ebo nkomo no na o say Mohammed Kudus faces a daunting challenge at Tottenham compared to his days at West Ham United. I will urge him to work extra hard and commit himself to succeeding at club level. It will be prudent for him to put monetary issues aside and make a name for himself at Tottenham. He should be thinking about laurels. Enti coach anowoka na Chelsea star boy Mohammed Kudus one share na onye din emfama ne ho na afenzi no o ma ne botaye ni vision ni mission ni nyina no enkoye se ekon abafa so na wotimi aboa ma Tottenham age trophies ahodo wo gidi se eno ene betimi aboa no na ade yesikasem ade ebe ye Saudi sem bia de ene wotwam e wo Yesu din mu ene anowoka ene de sa ensem atu dwa wo abra oni Bright FM ebo nkomo no ene de sa ensem no atu dwa nti oba na watimi ache wadwene e wo comment section wo edi amame na enkomo no atimi akoye na abusia wonim se Mohammed Kudus na wa ye rapper o sanya football party aka Kudus enka obeya rapper ene amele ko betima keka bia fine na bibi bia timi akoye na video bi circulate o media no so na abusia yenkohwe Starboy Mohammed Kudus a wo ye rapper or rapper ene nyi ze o si so foforo no na o rapper papa yenko video no mra Ajao. 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 All right, ebusia it is Starboy Mohammed Kudus and your rapper Kudus and your Emma wa ye de ne ho 718 ediamo at the comment section no wo de wo Kudus ne vibe na wo de rap na fire emoji to wo de fire emoji to na wa twa Kudus aka ho Kudus na bibi etima dey etimi akode dedei edi amaye nyina ati eno so eno no now yemungra mu na yeni sa enkomo we enfamfiri o ni nyina eye abranta ne din edi Thomas Partey na media no enkrofo eche omadwene efa abranta no oni Arsenal yonko fa asese enima koje kekeleke enima nkasa ekoye something register edi ma Thomas Partey na ene abranta edaso ye free agents na yentimi enhu ye se okotim anase o sign edi ma team B no ene enra Mikel Arteta babedi enkomo na enkrofo bebre dia of the view say as Arsenal for no wo moyi abranten ama esanse bra na oni Arsenal ewe contract no na say court serve any sign money nyina no yanse da ante but on the very day our master party ne contract with Arsenal eba na wiye no ehwo ape ene ese 5 count ene ya charge no ene sexually ene abusively ene dia brofo kese ene court for brofo nyina no je keka bi ene to TTP so na eno ena Thomas Partey enwo sem se trend eni ade ni nyina no ena Mikel Arteta media no ena se da bi montena se na ensem no menche mu yi pa na Mikel Arteta ensem nyina ne se wo se hwe adabraka de nkrofo kan nyina ne kro bi anim enye se Thomas Partey no asamba ye ne yina ma na omo de omo betima aka se court procedure eni Arsenal procedure se omo fa so kwampa bi se omo fa so protect Partey bia no omo fa so na se yankasa no said the ensem na kokoye court nsem na next month about an appear before court no enya de se obetimi acheche bibibia mu e de ache media e fa party 5 count ya to ne so enya de se obeka bibia de afa ho na oni de obeka e de ache obibia se omo follow the right procedure na de ball party ho ban na openi no eye Mikel Arteta edin komo no say the club Arsenal was very clear in their statement. There are a lot of legal matters. There are a lot of legal matters that are very complicated. So, I cannot comment. Eti emrani emunsem bebre ho a edoso okasa wo akwakoka wanhwe na no akopa na contempt akwakoche no eti ono de as a coach no enya de se obetimi aka bibibia afa Thomas Partey ni issues I say one court enya no wontimi empasi any comment na omo ye clear e wo statement a omo release ye no eno ene ade a ese media no esom na omo bobo ho na se ono pa Mikel Arteta betimi agina brane se o cheche nsemu de o se da bi enkobonsam enfa ne nyetampiko ene ka nyema benya agekekeleke e de ama no o se enya de se betimi aye saati eno so eno no eti opaso a na wache wadwene e o comment section wo e de ama me na enkomo no etimi akoye na ena no da ena Abrante Starboy Mohammed Kudus ebo ne first game edema Tottenham Hotspurs na in fact Abrante no e demonstrate bibi e ma ewiase nyina gini tum se Tottenham na waba no obetimi aboa ama Tottenham akonkoden pa na eno ena media no emiti Thomas Frank eni di nkomo efa Kudus ho na wose hwe won ye wo ka dia che obi bia o na ye nyina ye beja tum se Kudus on the field of play no ye hu je Kudus eyeye na se ye nyina ye hu ade a Kudus eyeye a wose anya hwekro no wantimi anka hwekro no obeja tum se Kudus etimi e provide nice and beautiful 4 or 5 good actions are just or display my ewiase nyina hu say yes Abrante ball no onimbo na ohwe flare Abrante edi room na obetimi aka se Kudus no oye fantastic player ankasa na say na Thomas Frank efa so ball nkomo o say Mohammed Kudus he is the newest one. Mohammed Kudus he is the newest one. I thought he was exciting to watch. Had 4 or 5 very good actions where you can see what he is about. His pace, his one-on-one skills, the way he can twist and turn going forward. That was a positive. It's way somewhere Thomas Frank Ekaye Edefa Abrante star boy Mohammed Kudus wa Abra Onya ne debut game Edema Tottenham Hotspur na ewiase nyina eka. Don't forget that particular game no Abrante no he provided a wonderful assist Edema na ho a na enya seketwa nti obaso at the comment section no na wetimi ache wadwene kama na bibia etimi akoso. Now Mr. Ibrahim Sanidara wedding komo edafa Black Queens ho na odiafutu akra edema kemilas Bjorkengen wa Abra Ghana ekwakobo semi-final game against Morocco no ene ensem de bebre na openi no ede atodwa yenko na yenkotie Mr. Ibrahim Sanidara ne nsem a ode tudwa.
I think it's a mixture of two. I think that it is progress from when we were not qualifying to now getting back to the tournament again. We used to be among the best on the continent. Other countries have caught up with us, and some have even surpassed us. For example, Morocco. So just to see us getting back on the WAFCON stage and also getting the team to get into the knockout phases of the competition is a progress. But as Ghanaians, we are not satisfied with just getting through the motions. At the group stage, we expected that, well, even if South Africa are the champions and they beat us, in our subsequent matches, we should have stepped up. Even in our last match, when at halftime I was livid by the result that it was only just 1-1 against a country that, you know, formerly we could have easily brushed aside. But we should also recognize the fact that we are only just rebuilding, and rebuilding to get to the top takes a lot of time. So we have to juxtapose that with patience. And to get things right, you have to be patient. You cannot, it's just not like, you know, just switching one button and it fixes it. It doesn't. And life doesn't work that way. So we have to appreciate the fact that they've made progress. Yes, we have to criticize them when we don't like what we see, so they can improve. But I think that Kim has done some work since he came, and you know, so the progress will continue. And I hope that the lessons they learned from the group stages can carry them on into the knockout phases, into the knockout phase of the competition. Well, Nora had 2 years and more in the position, so that gave her the opportunity to make mistakes and correct it. Kim has not been in the position for that long to be able to mold it into a squad, even though Nora had done a good job of putting, you know, the backbone of the team together. But every coach has his or her philosophy, and for the philosophy to get to the players, it will take some time. But he must also realize that if Nora lifted the team up from this, brought it to this level, we only expect him to take it a notch higher. And I think that there were a lot of advantages that came with Nora being in the position. Number one, she's a female. She would understand certain nuances that Kim might not even know or understand. So that gives Nora the edge. And I would say it will be too difficult to judge Kim at this point. Let him finish the tournament and we can make a good judgment of whether he has done a good job or not. I think there's one area for improvement, and that is monitoring our players that are abroad. I think it is one area we should look in. We've got a lot of players in Germany, female players in Germany. There are a few that have come from other countries, but I think that if we scour some more, we could get some more females to join.
All right, so Mr. Ibrahim Sanidara, and I want to say, oh, boy, and come on, Yensia, not Yensen, shout out, yes, more messages, I want to Ebano, not forgetting, Shidu, yes, Shidu, Ewa Amanone, na neba, and so your footballers, you know, I brought in Miyakasano, mehwe abrante highlighter ebusua wo ye super brutal eti abrante no say GF for no omo look sharp na abrante omutimi ede ne ba no be bo adwuma ede ma Ghana because me say bro what the my last video no me the abrante highlight etumu na we no me the ba ketua bi tum na de wahwe she do ba no o bobo brutal eti eno so eno no jengwa mu na ye fa shout out na ema Eric Tete e be shout out to you score no GH ye che papa Philippe Gasu meti won kan che Gasu na say eti e be shout out to you Mauto GH e be shout out to you Eric Opoku mechiao Cecilia e be shout out to you na we so eremu abomoden e di ama Cecilia me di ama Eben Kweku e be shout out to you na we so erem ediama Amanda Ofosua Amanda bebia wo bia no sports in Ghana ye che papa then we so ento so ema Ofochu Prosper Dotumo e be shout out to you Eric Tete mediama Chikata esiedu na se ohomfa o megidi se ese dia hoden etimi aba eti Chikata bebia wo bia no onyame enka ho na bibibia entimi enkoye we so enwram ema Paul Sanja e be shout out to you then we so ento so ema Evangelist in Cancer TV e be shout out to you Maxi our London Maxi once you check me din e the Kobe and I'll be my friend Kobe finest is abishia